On YouTube, Year One Blink here, back with another new video. Today's video, we're going to be opening up the Scorbunny Galar collection box and an extra Cosmic Eclipse box. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you do leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. We're also playing Pokemon Sword and Shield, so stay tuned for that. We're about to catch the legendary. Here we have the Scorbunny Galar collection box, Zacian V, 220 HP, the 3 starters, Grookey, Scorbunny, and Sobble. And that's what we're working with. And we have an extra Cosmic Eclipse pack. You got a couple stuff over here. And let's get to it. Back of the pack, you guys can read that. You can pause the video, do whatever you want. 3 foil promo cards featuring Scorbunny, Grookey, and Sobble. 1 of 2 foil oversized cards featuring the legendary Pokemon Zacian and Zamazenta as Pokemon V. 1 glossy Scorbunny pin, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, 1 code for the Pokemon TCG online. And I'll be giving out these codes for you guys. So that's what we're working with, is the side. Get a quick shot of the front again. There we go. We're going to be opening up this first pack with the Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse legendaries on here and see what we get. Get a good angle for you guys. Okay, that should be good. This up. I never opened these new ones before, so got it out of there. We have the 3 fluffy Pokemon. Togepi. I don't know what the other one is, but... Alright, we had to cut the video because I'm having trouble opening this for some reason. But we got it open for you guys. Here's you guys' code. Put that in. Make sure we got a good angle for you guys. See the full Pokemon cards. We got Nose Pass, Lit Leo, Flabibi, Sfeel, I remember that one, Natu, Lit Leo holographic reverse. Oh, we got a holo. Let's go. Holographic Florges. Hey, at least we got a holo. Our first holo, first go. Rare. Pretty cool looking card. Fire Energy. Rotom. Type Null. I really don't know what that is. I think that's that Cephali, the first evolving Heracross. So, yeah, we got a holographic. Let's go. This dope box, Scorbunny Galar region. We're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna like cut the part where I open it because I'm doing this with one hand and it's really hard. So we'll cut to that right now. All right, we're gonna open this from the side. Hopefully we don't mess up the box too much. Oh, we're doing pretty good. Freaking opening nice and smooth. That's what I'm talking about. What the heck? This thing smells weird. Alright, we got it open. Well, we got one part open. Got the 3 holos, so let's get it. Alright, we got this open. Put that down here for right now. And look at this. Zacian. Full art. Zacian V. Like, this card is sick. Brave Blade. During your next turn, this Pokemon can't attack. 230 damage. Oh my god. I've never seen a card do that much damage before. It's a beautiful card though. See the back. Zacian V. He's out here. It looks like we have Unbroken Bonds, Evolutions, and 2 Cosmic Eclipses. So, I mean, it's not the best other packs, but it's better than nothing. Look at, we also got this little Scorbunny little pin. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Zacian looking dope as heck. This card is actually hella sick looking. There are packs, Cosmic Eclipse, Blastoise and Piplup, Evolutions with Venusaur, Cosmic Eclipse with the 3 puff things, Togepi, and Unbroken Bonds with Lucario. Alright, here's a code for you guys to put in. Let's get these 3 cards out. Ooh. The 3 starters looking sick as heck. Scorbunny, Sobble, and Grookey. Oh shoot. Scorbunny's the promo. The other one's promo too. This one, Sobble. Oh, it's not a promo. Scorbunny was the only promo card. Alright, we're going to open up Unbroken Bonds. Lucario on the front. One of my favorite Pokemon. Oh my gosh. Alright, we got this. Oh, that Aron. I love Aron. That's a good sign. There's your code. Yep. From, I think, Ruby and Sapphire. Okay, we have Aron. Sandshrew. Ghastly. Get a better angle. Tangela. Venonat. Incineroar, reverse hollow. Ooh. What? The guy from Rhyperior, another rare. Not hollow though. Energy. Paikumuku. Whatever the heck that thing is. Fire Crystal. And a Weeping Bell. Alright, Evolutions, Venusaur on the front. Let's get it. Open this up. Bro. There we go. Ponyta. Oops. There's you guys' code. Go put that in when you guys have time. Alright, let's get to this. Alright, we have a Super Potion. Ponyta. The OG. Magnemite. Pikachu. Machop. Weedle. Is that a rare? No, it's not a rare. Super Potion, reverse hollow. A Mewtwo, non-holographic. Are you serious? I have a reverse hollow of this already. Venusaur Spirit Link. And a Charmeleon. And there you guys go. Hopefully we get something good. Cosmic Eclipse, Sun and Moon, the newest packs. Come on. Give me a GX. Something. Bro, I cannot open this. Alright, we got it open. Give you guys the code. Put that in whenever you guys have time. Alright. We got a Cosmog. That's a cool Pokemon. Looks like the galaxy. Never heard of that thing. Psyduck. Trapinch. Oddish. Rufflet. And we got a Raichu reverse hollow. Ooh. That's sick looking. Oh! Oh my god! Look what we just pulled. We just pulled a ultra rare Volcrona GX. What the heck is that? Bro. Dude, ultra rare rainbow card. Oh my god, I've never pulled one of these before. This is sick. Bro, this is the pack right here. Dark Energy, Gold Duck, Will Trainer card, and Mimikyu, the tweaked out Pikachu. Oh my god, we just pulled an ultra rare and a reverse hollow Raichu. Look at this card. Oh my god. Let me put the Raichu in here real quick. Okay. This is our last pack. Cosmic Eclipse, Blastoise, and Piplup. Hopefully we pull an ultra rare or the three gods. I said, we just had to cut it because this thing was kind of having difficulties opening for some weird reason. Okay. Here's you guys' code. Redeem that whenever you guys have time. Alright. We have a Sandy Gast. Cool card. We have another Spheal. Cotini. Fairy Pokemon. Rowlet. I remember seeing this before. Aloha and Grimer. So this is from Sun and Moon. Oh, clip cut out, but yeah, we got a coughing full art card. We pulled a rare Mimikyu, but at least we got the coughing full art. That's dope with the trainer in the back. That's sick. Mimikyu, Dark Energy, Tag Call. I thought that was a rare. Delmise and Chaotic Swell. But yeah, that was all the packs. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm going to show off the cards one more time. And that's it. One more look at this. Just look at this. Volcarona GX. Ultra rare. What a beautiful card. Like, honestly. Has some crazy designs going on with it. Beautiful. I'll show you guys all the pulls we got. Volcarona. Coughing. Really cool card. Florges. Sorry I'm doing it like this. I only have one hand. Lit Leo. He's not really a pull though. He's just a common. We got a cool looking Raichu. Reverse hollow with some electricity on there. And Cineroar with some fire on there. Really cool card. He's from Super Smash. Super Potion, uncommon. Nothing too great. Rhyperior, non-holo. Mewtwo, non-holo. And Mimikyu, non-holo. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video. Please make sure you do subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Have a wonderful day, everyone. And those are our 3 little guys. Starters. That's crazy how the one starter is promo. And then one last shot of Zacian. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.